Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find grill recipes in Aldi application. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you have to tap on the recipe button right there. Then hold the recipe button and you will see this. Then you have to tap on the grill button and you will see the option right there. For example, I will choose the hamburger. And you will see what it needs, how many times it takes, and how to do it. And that's all. I hope you like this and it helped you. If it was helpful, please consider to subscribing. That's pretty much it for this video, guys, and see you in the next one. If you liked, hit the like button. Bye.